हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। मैं आज बहुत लेट फ्री हुई हूँ फ्रॉम माई क्लिनिक एंड आई हैड टू see multiple cases. So few minutes ago I got free. So there were multiple cases like combination prosthesis, full mouth case. Then I had an open apex case of single sitting RCT, and then third I had an occlusal case. I mean, a malalignment or a cross bite case of traumatic bite and abfractions wala case of multiple teeth. Okay, so all these cases I just got finished, and then I wanted to discuss few of the things. I was also been invited in one of my very close, known, who happens to be my patient also, who he and his mom. So his name is Saket Singh. He is today. It was his what to say, reception party. So I was very much invited over there with the whole Shine 32 family and our team. So I could not go because we are trying to avoid social distance. That's first thing. The most important thing was, more than this, was two important reasons. First, I had cases in my clinic, so I had to finish with them because it was like pre-planned and like pre-committed and pre-appointment commitment. So I had to do that. They were all emergency cases, so I had to attend them. And the second most important thing was कि only 50 people are being invited in any kind of marriage throughout in India. So I double checked and double thought over it that if I and my pals, my Shine 32 team will go to their wedding, it may happen that their own relatives may not come or something like that. Though my patient on this, when I had a talk, because he reconfirmed me saying कि आप 31st को मेरे एनिवर्सरी सॉरी रिसेप्शन पार्टी में आ रही है ना, तो आई सेड आई कैन नॉट कमिट बट आई कैन ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट बिकॉज आई वॉज प्रिटी श्योर दैट this time I should not go. And thinking about me, myself, Oyster, my son, everything, all these things, you know, parallelly affected my visit to his wedding party. Okay, so this was it. So I just got free and it's like 11:15, 11:20 p.m. So day after tomorrow, that's on 2nd of May, here in West Bengal, that will be election result day. So we will be closed on that day. And I also wanted to discuss about 1st of May. I will be opening all my branches tomorrow. So tomorrow till 11:55 p.m. we gonna work like anything. And on 2nd of May, only my Barakpur clinic will be functional, because that's my home clinic, because I won't be able to visit my other clinics. And yes, my Shamnagar clinic will also be functional. Okay, so these two clinics will be functional because they are quite accessible to my reach. We will be opening those branches, the Barakpur one and the Shamnagar one. Rest of the other branches will remain closed for 2nd of May. And then the other recall cases and other new cases will be taken up freshly tomorrow, and if not tomorrow, then on 3rd and henceforth. Okay, 3rd of May and henceforth. So I am like really looking after for a good governance, good government on 2nd of May. And I also wanted to discuss about my second case of tonight. That was an open apex case where I had performed single sitting RCT, applying, completing the full obturation with biodentine. Okay, so that was such a purulent case that I had feeded the full canal with a lot of NaOCl, and at times I pumped up with some calcium hydroxide after doing complete BMP, and then I rewashed it so that it becomes slaked lime over there, and then I pressed the sinus tract from here, and complete purulence discharge came out from the canal itself, because the BMP was already being done by me tonight. And the moment it came out, the patient was quite relieved. Believe me, I did not give any anesthesia, and the only uh, think golden thumb rule was a lot of hypo, a lot of EDTA, then slaked lime formation, and then finally pressing the full sinus tract so that whatever is there, cellulitis is there, should come out from the canal and the periphery, and then final closure with MTA or biodentin. So I used biodentin today and I have completed it. And most of the times what happens is, I do not advocate any kind of, mostly I do not advocate administration of any kind of antibiotics much, or painkillers much, NSAIDs much in my dental practice or endo practice. Okay, but in this case I felt that very along with the E. faecalis bacteria and the pus formation, there was a staphylococcus action, because there was purulence, a lot of purulence, streptococcus action, and then and a lot of exudates. Okay, anyhow, so both gram negative and positive bacteria, it's a multi-bacterial growth over there. So we had to disinfect and sterilize, and then thereafter did multiple steps of dressing and all that. Then I administered him not sorry for my son. I administered him not oral antibiotics, but injectables. So this time I really had given the cephalosporin group of drug. So I had given him cefotaxime injection along with some dexamethasone injection, so that combination of both of that, so that the swelling and the inflammation goes instantly, as well as the injection I prescribed him for 5 continuous days, because I really wanted to use the broad spectrum antibiotic here, and I personally could understand that this severity of bacteria won't be subsided with just merely the oral drug administration or oral antibiotic administration. So I asked the patient to take IM or IV, but he could not manage to get any injection giving nurse, a guy or a girl. So then he called me up back and said, "Ma'am, koi nahi laga raha mujhe injection." Then I called him back and I injected him IM. I gave him in the deltoid. Okay, and then he then said that, "Ma'am, very after your dressing and filing and everything, I'm feeling very okay, very good, and the totally the swelling and everything, the tightness, everything went away, at a go. So it's quite it's quite good. Even I am feeling good for that guy, that he was being relaxed and he took a sigh of relief that it's been negotiated, now he's okay. So after the setting of the dressing and everything, I had done the crown cutting also, and but then also I said that कि अगर ये ठीक नहीं हुआ, then it may happen that we may have to take this tooth out. But he was kept on praying me that, "Ma'am," he happens to be a Muslim guy, so that, "Ma'am, it's Eid coming on our way, so I have to look good." So I said ki, "No, you can look good after the exodontia also. We can give you a bridge or implant or whatever if you like." But he said ki, "No, I want to preserve these two teeth. Let's see for how many days we can stay with this tooth." Otherwise, I still informed him that since the destruction and your delay was from a long time, because This happened in the month, in his childhood, and then it happened in the month of February in some dental college, and it was been like not done properly or only half done, and then multiple sittings were being called for him, and he could not manage to go over there, so I have to do it. Okay, so I just wanted to convey one thing, that swelling and weeping canals can also can last in, after filing also, or after giving good calcium hydroxide dressing and multiple dressings also. So never get disappointed on the the day you think that all the exudates have come out. You have to do the negative aspiration. You have to like paper point over there, or you have to, negative aspiration will like partly dry up your canal, and then PP will partly dry up your canal more, and still the exudates are coming, so no point of panicking on that note. Then one has to, put the Biodentin or the MTA, and the rest of the job will be done by these two products, or one among these two products. Okay, and their alkalinity will be established, and maybe gradually neutralization will be established, and the weeping canal will no more be a weeping canal, and the infection will be subsided. But in addition to that, you have to give a very strong antibiotic in such cases of cellulitis or pus formation or weeping canal or whatever maybe, because I asked him to take ofloxacin ornidazole orally. He took also in the morning. This morning when he called me first, I gave him, but it did not give him relief. I also gave him ketorolac, which is again an NSAID and a very good painkiller, and it's it is a vasodilator also. So I gave him that, but yes, pain subsided, but the swelling was intact. So somebody who wants to do such cases is doing from the coronal zone, he or she is like blocking it with Biodentin or NT, fair enough. But the most important thing is the infection which has been already been created in the periodontium should not exaggerate more, and for that one has to be given, IM or IV, or maybe orally for long period. Orally, honestly speaking, will not work so much. Injectables work in my cases. I have seen, I'm telling you all my experiences. It's not that it's a golden rule, but I have seen it. The speed of the healing, the speed of the healing, it increases, it amplifies if one takes IM or IV in such devastating cases, not in all the cases. Okay, when it is like here up to the brain or up to the neck or beyond the neck or something, at that time one should really take IM or IV, I guess, instead of taking your oral antibiotics. Okay, so thank you so much for watching me. Have a great weekend, and this is Dr. Sukirti signing off. We will talk about other cases more, and this vlog was for my dental colleagues and students and seniors, juniors. It's just my experience and some tutorials, some little hacks, some principles, some trial and error things which I find palatable and working, worth it. I feel like sharing this to all you guys. So thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye. This is Dr. Sukirti signing off. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. I have been saying this, and hit the bell icon also. I am like learning things. Okay, so bye bye. Have a good night and have a happy weekend, and get vaccinated ASAP, because कल से 18 साल से and 18 साल and above का registration हो रहा है from tonight. In that side, government side, you can get it done. Means health professionals may get the vaccines easily been done by showing their registration number and something. And the third thing is wear the mask and follow all the WHO protocols. to stay safe, and do not suffer from any mucus, or nest the mucus in your nose and in your mouth and your head, or don't nest any mucus. If you are feeling like coughing multiple times, if you are feeling like having running nose, lethargy, weakness, or any kind of weak symptoms, which may tend to be any sort of viral or any kind of weakness things, uh, do not delay, do not rethink. At least as a prelim, take azithromycin first thing, okay? Because once, if the mucus is there, if the mucus goes and nest inside, it gets converted into pneumonia. Today only we have lost one of the very very dashing and a very outspoken, outrageous, and a very 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 good news reader. His name was Rohit Sardana, may his soul rest into peace. He was merely 42 to 44, I guess, not even that. So he was very young and energetic guy. Uh, he died owing to pneumonia and cardiac arrest, and the reason was RT-PCR was negative. So he was COVID negative. Basically, he was COVID positive preliminarily, and then since the RT-PCR was negative, so the viral was no more viral. It became pneumatic, means it became pneumonia, okay, which is due to streptococcus pneumoniae, streptococcus pneumoniae. So that bacterial treatment was due for him, and it wasn't being done for him. He became hypoxic, and then cardiac arrest, and then brain dead, and he died. So this should not happen. अगर थोड़ा भी mucus है, get at least the basic antibiotic been taken by you. You can take doxycycline also, 100 mg, because whether COVID positive, mild, moderate or severe, everybody has been dispensed by doxycycline, and azithromycin also if you wish, like, okay. So at least for the time being, you are actually, okay, you're killing the bacteria, okay. Don't wait for the doctor, because everywhere, whoever maybe this is a basic line of drug which has been given, okay. So why to wait for anybody else? Have it, okay. So thank you so much for watching me. This video was very long, this vlog was really very long, but I really wanted to share few of my experiences which I really felt worthy sharing to all you guys. Thank you so much. Signing off. Bye bye.